This look is a very simple and easy to do smoky eye look. Let's begin. I'm going to start by using a moisturizer. It's crucial that you keep your skin moisturized for a flawless look. Apply some primer. Primer is a good base for foundation and other types of makeup. I'm going to be blending it out with a beauty blender. This takes a bit of time. Apply foundation, and I'm going to be blending that using a foundation brush. Apply your concealer. Basically just cover up your dark circle areas and any of your flaws. You want to blend well and then bake using a loose setting powder. I'm going to apply it under my eye using a beauty blender. When a minute's over, I'm going to brush it off using a fluffy brush and then contour my face, cheekbones, and nose. This is the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using. In this video, I'm only going to use 3 of the colors. Starting with Toasty, applying it on the crease and using a sweeping motion. Using this Venice Fling, I'm going to do the same exact thing. Be sure to blend it very well or else it'll be patchy. If you think you messed up, you can always keep blending. The more you blend, the more it'll fade. There is no wrong way of doing this. With Ocean Ave, I am applying it to the lid and the inner corners, or the tear duct. Now with the angled brush, I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows. Be sure not to make them the exact replica of each other. Keep in mind, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Now eyebrow gel is going to keep the shape of your eyebrows, and I'm lightly going to apply this on my eyebrows. Finish up with some bronzer and blush. This is totally optional. Go ahead and apply some eyelashes. And here are the finishing results. If you ended up liking this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions or any video requests, please do let me know. See you all in my next video. But most importantly, till then, take care, be safe, goodbye.